Hello guys, welcome once more to my channel. This is from Jury, and today we're going to talk about how you can earn up to $25,000 with YouTube automation without showing your face. Yes, you can make about $25,000 from YouTube even without showing your face. How do you get this done? Just keep watching. So you need a niche. So that niche can be anything. Maybe you want to talk about health, you want to talk about maybe sports and the like. But today we're going to take the health as a sample. So we're going to take the health as a niche today. Then another thing you want to know is about channels that are already doing that. Which of the YouTube channels that are already doing that, and how much are they making? Let's start with this one here. This YouTube channel we're going to talk about is let's say what do you call it? It's Dr. Steen Ekberg. This channel, this guy is talking about health, and you can say 10 signs of too much stress, 10 foods that you must eat to lower blood sugar. Everything is about 10. Let's check on something else again. This guy is talking about top 10 foods that cause inflammation. Another one talks about 10 early diabetes signs you must not ignore. It's just 10, all about health. And let's see how much you guys making. Let's see how much you guys making. You guys making nothing less than $26,000. $26,000 every month. And see the traffic is having about 6.494 million views. So you can see this is really working. It has had about 2.11 million subscribers. It's working. Then in case you want to check on that channel, maybe you are interested in food, maybe you have a passion for food, you can check this channel too. This channel is about food. It says delicious foods, and look at the videos this guy is having, this man is having. It says okay, learn how to make Winnie's famous vegetable fish and the like. Make this easy, highly nutritious, healthy green stuff, or learn how to make this tantalizing suya dodo. And this is what I'm talking about. Everyone would love this potato cake recipe. So this one is talking about food. Let's know how much this person is earning. And this person is earning about $3,000 every month. So people are really making money online. And if you check very well, you will not see their face there. They don't talk. You don't see that they're talking. They just give the pictures or the video of what they are talking about. Like this person here now, you can see. Let's check. It's all about. Like this one shows the face here, but sometimes you may not, like the one I'm going to show you today, you may not have to show your face. It's just videos, and the videos are already there. So what do we do? First of all, you want to go to google.com and search something. What's that? Like this sample I talked about, top 5 health benefits of grapes. So imagine I want to talk about grapes today. So I'll just go to Google and talk about type and search top 5 health benefits of grapes, and you can see the first website that talks about it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this spot. Look at it, same site. It says health.clevelandclinic.org. That's it here. health.clevelandclinic.org. Sorry. So I'm going to talk, like if you see here, they gave you us about 10 health benefits. 10 health benefits. But now we need 5. I'll just go straight to the part of it that discusses what I want. I don't jargons. I don't want too much talk. I'll just come here. Helps your immune system, prevents cancer. I'll just take this to. I'll go to a website called progjurytv.ai. Look at it. So what I do here, I just get the content, copy from that side. Look at it here. I get the content. I'll right click. I'll copy. I'll come to progjurytv.ai. I'll come here. And what do I do? I'll just paste. I can see it's already pasted here. So the next I'll do is to what? To the right. Look at it here. I'll just paraphrase. Click on the paraphrase here. I'll let it write for us. It's already writing. Yes, it's written. So what do you say here? Let's compare. Helps your immune system. So what are they telling? They said, since grapes are a great source of vitamin C, they may help your immune system fight against bacteria and viral infections like yeast infections. Look at it here again. Say, because grapes are an excellent source of vitamin C, they can help your immune system fight off bacteria and viral infections like yeast effections. So you can see the changes here. That means you need copy word for word from this person. You made some changes. You can see you write this stuff again to make it more better for you. The next thing you need right now, after having your content, or maybe your script for your video, the next thing you want to have is your voiceover. You can come to this website called lovo.ai. It says the perfect voiceovers for audio ads. So you can get free AI voiceovers here. The next website we're going to talk about right now is Well Said Labs. They are still good too. I've used this website several times. They are very perfect voiceover website. You can use them. On that thing again, if you have a very good voice, you can just use your voice and talk about what you have here, this content. Because this is what you want to work on right now. You can just start to talk about helps your immune system. Then, because grapes are an excellent source of vitamin C, you can just speak it out and becomes a natural voiceover. Or if you don't have that confidence, you can just copy this script here. You can just copy everything here. They're going to come to this lovo.ai, then insert it there. They'll give the voiceover for it. Or you come to this website lab like I used several times and insert it there. Then you can just download the MP3 of it or the other part of it, and you can insert into your videos. The next thing you need now, after having your voiceover or your audio, you need videos. You can just come to pixels.com, and because we're talking about we're talking about grapes, so you just type free benefit of grapes videos, or you can just say benefit of grapes. Then when you search, it will give something like that. Mind you, the first search will give you in photos. You don't need photos. What you need is videos. Come to videos and click on videos. You can see other videos that will talk about grapes. So what do? Just come here and download any of the video, then click on the download button there, and off you go. Mind you, you can use this video anywhere. You don't have any problem at all because they said it is free. Look at the license here. It says legal simplicity. All photos and videos on Pixels can be downloaded and used for what? Free. So you are not scared of anything. So when you get a video from the website, just come to the website called v.io. What they say they are very good in editing video. Look at it. Say video editing made simple. Say create videos with a simple click, add subtitles, transcribe audios and more. Upload the video right now. So what do you do? The video you got from Pixels, this video you got from here, come here and upload it here. Then your voiceover you got from this Lovo or this website lab, come to this place and upload them here. The next thing, you can just edit them up and get a complete video of what you want to talk about. Another thing you can do again is maybe another place you can get your videos edited is an app which we call KinMaster. Is a very good place you can edit your videos too, but that's on the phone version. Maybe you can use it on PC there too. These are ways you can get your videos up and doing. It's very simple. So with this one, you can start making money even without showing your face on YouTube. The next place you can use to make money is using another place called Google AdSense. It's a very good place to earn extra income too. That's ad revenue. You can make money from that place too. So when people watch your videos and your video get monetized, then you can start earning money from AdSense. They collect some percentage from the amount of money you earn and you are good to go. On that place you can still earn money with another affiliate program you can earn money from is partnerstack.com. This is a marketplace. You can see other companies here, other brands who are already making come here to advertise their goods and services. What do? You're not here to advertise anything. You are here to make money. So what do? If I were you, I'll click the start any today, no delay. I want to start making money today. Just click on it, start any today, and you'll be taken to a place called market.partnerstack.com. I can see all the services that are already here. What do? Like I told you before now, I told you that you can make $25,000 from YouTube. This is one of them. Don't forget, before that I told you somebody who's already doing that right now. Look at this, the proof here. This person is already doing it. He's already making $26,000. I told you 25. This person is already making $26,000 just on videos on Earth. And I've told you where to get your videos. You can get your videos from pixels.com. These are videos. You can get video from here. You can get your voiceover from here, website lab, or you can get or maybe from lovo.ai. Then you can come here to edit them, edit your videos, or use a KinMaster to edit them. Then you can affiliate with Google AdSense. They will pay you too. Then another thing you can do again is to come to this website called PartnerStack. Start earning today. Click on this start earning today. Then the next thing, partner with these guys. They can tell you something. They said you can earn up to $25,000 for every paying customer and $1,000 for every developer you invite. This website called Turin. It's very good. So this is another way for you to earn $25,000 from YouTube, because when you create your videos, after uploading your videos, you come to editing your videos, you come to your channel, and what? And you come to your channel and click on YouTube Studio. When you click on YouTube Studio, you'll be taken to your channel where you can upload your videos. So these videos you already edited here, just come here and upload the videos, and that's just it. It's simple. So it's not difficult anymore. Apply everything I've told you in these videos, and you can start making money as soon as possible. It doesn't take anything from you. What it takes from you is come here, look for a niche, then look for those who are already making money from that. Then go to Google and look for content or a script. The next thing again, look for how to change it to get a voiceover from it, or you can use your own voice to get the voiceover, or go to the website called lovo.ai, or maybe Website Labs. Then the next thing, you get videos, get them for this website, then edit them. When you edit them, just come here and upload. Is simple. When you upload, you share your videos to other social media, like these guys. Let's check what they are telling you right now. Let's see what these guys are telling you, that you can earn up to $25,000 for every paying customer. Let's open it and see what they're telling us right now. So at least you need to know what to do to earn that money. Let's check the reward structure. They said earn up to $25,000 for every paying customer. Earn $1,000 for every developer referred. It's simple. So how does the program work? They say how the Turin program works. First step is join the program and get referral link. The second step is share link on social media and more. Yes, you can share link on social media. Like the next video I'm going to upload, I'm going to tell you on how to get traffic from every form of social media. Here you can get free traffic from. So when you watch that video, you're going to see how simple is it for you to share your link to those places and get people coming to this website called Turin. The next thing is you'll get rewarded for every one that comes, and when you get rewarded for promoting Turin, you will get paid this amount of money, $25,000 or $1,000 for every developer you referred. That's how it goes. Another thing you want to know is that when do I get paid? They said payments are verified and pay out the month after your commission is earned. For example, any commissions earned in February will be available March 13th. Any commissions that maybe you've made, like today, in this month we are right now, this is June, any amount of money you made in this June, you'll be paid July 13th. It's as simple as that. So, say, how are rewards paid? Once available to withdraw, rewards can be withdrawn from your dashboard using PayPal or Stripe. It's simple as that. So you get your money from these guys. It's as simple as that. So that's it. So what you do, please do it to click the subscribe button in this platform, this channel called From Zero Channel. You are going to make money from the internet. You must start making money. Like what they said today, what they said yesterday, start earning today. Continue to watch my videos and you must give testimony that making money from the internet is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Bye.